She pressed almost every button, except one. The one floor she never touched was the 14th. In the now infamous elevator footage, Elisa Lam's behavior is bizarre. She presses a series of buttons almost randomly, yet conspicuously skips the 14th floor button. Why is that significant? At the Cecil Hotel, the 14th floor was located right next to restricted areas, including the very rooftop where her body was later discovered. Witnesses noted the elevator door stayed open for an unusually long time, as if it was malfunctioning or being held open. Was someone just out of frame, holding the door for her, or against her will? Investigators later suggested the video's time stamp might be altered, meaning what we see isn't the real-time sequence of events, a simple elevator ride or a coded plea for help. It seems some floors hide more than just rooms. If you find these kinds of stories as fascinating as I do, make sure to follow for more.